watch our videos in Hindi? Subscribe to our Hindi YouTube channel, Drishti IAS. Drishti IAS is pleased to resume its special series of Places in News, targeting Prelims 2020. In this series, we will be covering all the important places that have been in news in the past 1.5 years. In this episode of the series, we will be covering the places belonging to the continents of North and Central America together. Looking at North America first. Canada was in the news because Justin Trudeau won a second term as Canada's Prime Minister after the country's federal election was held in October 2019. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Canada is bounded by the Arctic Ocean, Greenland, a self-governing part of the Danish Kingdom, the Atlantic Ocean, the United States, the Pacific Ocean, and the US state of Alaska. Canada's total land area includes thousands of adjacent islands, notably Newfoundland and the Arctic archipelago. Canada is officially bilingual in English and French, which reflects that the country's history was grounded in the contestation of these two European great powers. Canada is the second largest country in the world after Russia. From east to west, it stretches across 6 time zones. The Mackenzie River is the longest river in Canada and the second longest river of North America. The highest mountain in Canada is Mount Logan. The natural border between Canada and the USA is formed by the Great Lakes of North America, except Lake Michigan. Notably, the Great Lakes of North America from west to east comprise the lakes Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario. Canada is known for its prominent lakes such as Great Bear, Great Slave, Athabasca, and Winnipeg, while moving from northwest to southeast. The cool Labrador Current meets the warm Gulf Stream at the Great Banks, southeast of Newfoundland, creating one of the richest fishing grounds in the world. Canada is the second largest producer of uranium in the world after Kazakhstan. Also, it has the third largest uranium reserves in the world after Australia and Kazakhstan. Now shifting towards the United States of America. The US has been in the news because of its widespread protest triggered by the death of George Floyd, an African-American citizen in police custody. American Revolution, also called the United States War of Independence, 1775 to 83, led to the political independence of 13 of Great Britain's North American colonies. The American Civil War was fought from 1861 to 1865 between Northern, the free states, and Southern, the slave states, under the leadership of Abraham Lincoln. This war eventually abolished slavery from the Southern states and gave birth to a united America by union of Northern and Southern states. Martin Luther King Jr. led the civil rights movement in the USA during the period 1954 to 1968, which aimed at abolishing legal racial discrimination against African Americans. The United States of America is a constitution-based federal republic, having a presidential form of government. The Constitution of the United States is the world's oldest written constitution, which came into force in 1789. The US is bounded by Canada, the Atlantic Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, Mexico, and the Pacific Ocean. The United States of America is the third largest country in the world after Russia and Canada. The USA is now the largest crude oil producer in the world. Also, it has the largest coal reserves in the world. The Rocky Mountains stretch from British Columbia and Alberta in Canada through Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, and down to New Mexico in the USA. Mount Elbert is the highest point of the Rocky Mountains. Mississippi River, the longest river of North America, lies entirely within the United States of America. The Missouri and the Ohio rivers are the major tributaries of Mississippi. The Mississippi River system forms a vast bird's foot configuration delta along the Gulf of Mexico. The USA's lowest point is Death Valley, and the highest point is Mount McKinley, located in the Alaskan region. Among the 5 Great Lakes, Lake Michigan lies entirely within the United States of America, while the others form a part of the border between US and Canada. Now shifting focus towards Mexico. Mexico was in the news as recently a tropical cyclone named Cristobal has formed in the southern Gulf of Mexico. It has also been in the news for the last couple of years because the US president proposed for erecting a wall on the US-Mexico border to prevent illegal Mexican migration to the USA. Mexico City is the capital of Mexico. Mexico is a country of southern North America and the third largest country in Latin America after Brazil and Argentina. Mexico shares borders with the United States, Guatemala, and Belize, and water bodies like Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, and the Caribbean Sea. Major rivers in Mexico are Rio Grande, Colorado, and Usumacinta. The Rio Grande River forms part of the border between Mexico and the US. The major mountain range of Mexico is the Sierra Madre mountain range. The Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea are separated by the Yucatan Peninsula, which is located in Mexico and neighboring countries Belize and Guatemala. Mexico is situated on the Ring of Fire, the world's most prominent volcano and earthquake region. Mexico is the largest producer of silver in the world. It is the third largest economy in North America, followed by USA and Canada. Now moving towards the island nations of North America, focusing on Bahamas first. Bahamas has been in the news as Hurricane Dorian caused loss of life and widespread damage to the Abaco Islands and the Grand Bahama. Nassau is the capital city of Bahamas. The Bahamas was a former British colony and became an independent country within the Commonwealth in 1973. The Bahamas is an archipelago located on the northwestern edge of the West Indies. It lies to the north of Cuba and the southeast of the USA. The Bahamas occupies a strategic location as it acts as the gateway to the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean Sea, and the entire Central American region. It is a major center for offshore finance and has one of the world's largest open registry shipping fleets. Shifting focus on island nation Cuba. Recently, India and Cuba celebrated 60 years of their diplomatic relationship, which was established in 1960. Havana is the capital city of Cuba. Cuba remained a Spanish colony until the Spanish-American War of 1898, when the country became part of the United States. The United States had a strong influence over the island until 1959, the year when communist revolutionaries led by Fidel Castro took over Cuba. The Cuban Missile Crisis was a time of heightened confrontation between the Soviet Union and the United States of America during the Cold War. It began when the Soviet Union, USSR, started building missile sites in Cuba in 1962. The confrontation ended with the Soviets removing the missiles and the US agreeing never to invade Cuba. Cuba is a one-party communist state. The Communist Party of Cuba is the ruling political party in Cuba. Cuba is situated just south of the Tropic of Cancer at the intersection of the Atlantic Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, and the Caribbean Sea. Guantanamo Naval Base is leased by the US and remains part of Cuba. Cuba has a dual currency system, the convertible peso and the Cuban peso. Viñales Valley, Old Havana, and its fortifications is Cuba's first UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now moving towards Central American countries, beginning with Guatemala. Recently, Alejandro Giammattei has been sworn in as Guatemala's new president. Guatemala City is the capital of Guatemala. Guatemala is bordered by Mexico, Belize, Honduras, and El Salvador. It is bounded by the Gulf of Honduras to the east and the Pacific Ocean to the west and south. The Maya civilization flourished in Guatemala and the surrounding regions during the first millennium AD. Guatemala, like other Latin American countries, was a Spanish colony. It got its independence from Spain in 1821. The city of Antigua Guatemala has been designated as UNESCO Cultural Heritage Sites. Guatemala leads globally in the production and export of cardamom. Moving southeast to Guatemala, the next country is Honduras. Recently, the International Monetary Fund has increased overall financing access for Honduras to about $531 million, more than 5 times the amount initially approved amid COVID-19 pandemic. Tegucigalpa is the capital city. Honduras is a country of Central America bordered with Guatemala, El Salvador, and Nicaragua. The Caribbean Sea lies to its northern coast, and the Pacific Ocean forms its narrow coast to the south. Honduras is the second largest country in Central America, following Nicaragua. Honduras' economy depends heavily on the US trade and the remittances. Shifting focus towards El Salvador, which is a bordering country of Honduras. Recently, Nayib Bukele has been sworn in as the new president of El Salvador. His presidency breaks 3 decades of bipartisanship between the conservative Nationalist Republic Alliance and the outgoing Farabundo Marti National Liberation Front. The capital city of El Salvador is San Salvador. El Salvador is the smallest and most densely populated of the 7 Central American countries. El Salvador is bounded by Honduras to the north and east, by the Pacific Ocean to the south, and by Guatemala to the northwest. The Lempa River enters El Salvador from Guatemala in the northwestern corner of the country. Moving to the next bordering country of Honduras, that is Nicaragua. Recently, the Ministry of External Affairs appointed Upender Singh Rawat as the new ambassador of India to the Republic of Panama. Additionally, he will represent India in the Republic of Nicaragua. Managua is the capital city of Nicaragua. Nicaragua has a unique history in that it was the only country in Latin America to be colonized by both the Spanish in the 16th century and the British in the 17th century. Nicaragua gained independence from Spain in 1821. Nicaragua is bounded by Honduras, the Caribbean Sea, Costa Rica, and the Pacific Ocean. Negro and Estero Real are important rivers which empty into the Gulf of Fonseca. Lake Nicaragua, the largest lake of Central America, is located in Nicaragua. The majority population of Nicaragua are mestizos, persons of mixed European and Indian ancestry. Nicaragua has the largest geothermal potential in Central America. Shifting focus towards Costa Rica, a bordering country of Nicaragua. Costa Rica was in the news because it became the first Central American country to legalize the same-sex marriage. San Jose is the capital of Costa Rica. Costa Rica extends from northwest to southeast in Central America. It is bounded by Nicaragua, the Caribbean Sea, Panama, and the Pacific Ocean. Costa Rica is generally regarded as having the most stable and most democratic government among all the Central American countries. Its constitution of 1949 abolished the country's army, gave women the right to vote, and provided other socio-economic and educational guarantees for all of its citizens. Now we will move towards Panama, a neighboring country of Costa Rica. Recently, Panama's electoral court declared the center-left candidate Laurentino Cortizo as winner of Panama's presidential election. The poll has been overshadowed by corruption scandals and irregularities. Panama City is the capital of Panama. Panama, located on a narrow bridge of land that is the Isthmus of Panama, connects North and South America. Along with Isthmus, Panama also embraces more than 1,600 islands off its Atlantic and Pacific coasts. Panama has been bordered by Costa Rica and Colombia and is situated between the Caribbean Sea and the North Pacific Ocean. The Panama Canal, owned and administered by the Republic of Panama, connects the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans through the Isthmus of Panama. From the opening of the canal in 1914, it was under the sole control of the USA until 1971. However, in 1979, control of the canal passed to the Panama Canal Commission, a joint agency of the United States and the Republic of Panama. Eventually, the control was passed to Panama completely in 1999. That is all for this episode of Places in News. See you next time with places from another continent.